For over 7 decades, it has dominated the skies. This is the B-52 Stratofortress, the Immortal Bomber. From the massive airframe to the roar of 8 jet engines, step inside the factory to witness exactly how America built this aviation legend. It all begins with metal massive aluminum titanium alloy sheets. Stacked inside the aerospace materials hall, each plate undergoes stamping, forming the curved surfaces of the B-52's enormous fuselage, internal ribs, bulkheads, and reinforcing beams are assembled like the skeleton of a steel giant. Technicians secure every piece with rows of military-grade rivets, thousands of them, each one a critical point of strength.
The schematic calls for the longer truss here.
We'll need to adjust the jig alignment slightly before the next shift.
We have alignment on mount point 4.
Copy that. Proceed with final lock sequence.
We need to verify the riveting sequence on section 4.
The data tablet shows green, but I'll double check the alignment now.
Next comes the wing, a 56-meter wingspan longer than a Boeing 737 built for carrying immense loads for intercontinental missions. Wing spars, ribs, flaps, and skin panels are machined with micron-level precision. Then the iconic bomb bay is formed, a deep internal cavity capable of holding heavy gravity bombs, cruise missiles, or modern smart
on
weapons.
the lower bolts.
Every component is inspected
Engaging
using
torque wrench
ultrasonic and laser-based tools, ensuring reliability for missions that may last more than 30 hours in the air.
Beginning the lift sequence now.
Maintaining synchronization, all green.
Clear above, continue steady ascent.
The wing and fuselage are brought together in one of the most impressive moments of assembly. Robotic arms lift the wing skeleton into place, sliding massive spars into reinforced sockets inside the fuselage. Steel locking pins secure them. Structure and unmistakable sound signaling the birth of an aircraft known around the world.
Check the alignment on frame 42.
Looks good, engineer. Torquing now.
Almost there.
Meanwhile,
Watch the bulkhead on your
engineers
side.
prepare one of the B-52's most
Clear.
unusual
Pushing it in now.
features,
Did
its
it seat?
bicycle-style
Yes, green
landing
indicator is
gear.
solid.
2 large gear assemblies front and rear support the aircraft, while tiny outrigger wheels on the wings keep its massive span balanced during takeoff and landing. Fuel lines, internal beams, and structural cross members are installed, forming the internal spine of the Stratofortress. Wing flex tests, load simulations, and stress evaluations confirm that this giant is ready for the next
Strain
stage.
data is spiking rapidly here at the joint.
Acknowledged. We are at 100% load.
We need
Few
to verify the
aircraft
torque
in
settings
history
here before
are
the
as
next phase.
instantly recognizable
Already done.
the
The readings
eight-engine
are stable.
B-52. Inside the engine hall,
The laser
modern
scan
turbofan
confirms the
engines
mounting
destined
points.
for the current B-5 to
Cross-referencing
modernization
the data
program
now.
are prepared
Looks
for.
good.
Installation, engine pylons are reinforced, calibrated, and tested for vibration tolerance. Hydraulic lifts position each engine onto its mount, one by 1.
little to the
All
left,
8
hold it there.
engines are secured to the
Power
wings.
secure,
Fuel
alignment looks
lines
good.
are connected.
We are locked in,
Electrical
thumbs up
harnesses are
confirmed.
rooted.
Clearance check on the
FADEC
starboard side.
systems handshake with
Holding
the
steady at
aircraft's
3 meters.
computers,
We are clear.
enabling synchronized
with final
thrust
alignment.
control across
Engage
the
lock.
entire engine group. Airflow tests confirm smooth laminar movement inside the nacelles. Thermal shielding is applied to suppress infrared signatures. Vibration rigs test the engines at simulated flight loads. By the end of this phase, the B-52's iconic roar the sound of 8 engines working as one returns. Once again,
FADEC line 1 engaged.
Confirmed. Torque set to specifications.
Moving to engine 2 synchronization check.
Look at the turbulence right there at the intake.
Yes, the pressure differential is higher than modeled. We should increase the flow rate.
Resonance levels are spiking on engine 4.
We are reaching maximum load. Maintain current frequency.
All primary indicators are green across the board. The power curve stabilization is complete.
Confirmed. We have full systems integrity.
We have green on all stabilization fields.
Activating the inertial dampeners. Installation complete. Check the pressure differential on manifold gamma.
Reading stable at 99.8%. Green across the board.
The power
now the
distribution
B-52
looks stable
receives its
across the new
brain.
modules.
The classic analog
Confirmed.
cockpit
We are
is
clear for
replaced
final
with a
integration.
fully digital glass cockpit system.
Make sure the
touch
alignment
screens,
is precise
Flight
on the left
displays
side.
and mission
Copy that.
computers boot
Applying
up with
final
modern
torque now.
software used across the U.S. Air Force. Radar modules, communication systems, and encrypted data units are integrated to give the bomber global reach and situational awareness. Electronic warfare modules enhance survivability, allowing the aircraft to detect, evade, or confuse enemy
now.
defense
Watch the alignment
networks.
pins.
Got it. Looks good. Proceed with securing the fasteners.
Inside the
status is
weapons
green across
bay,
the array.
new rotary launchers replace older racks,
Data
allowing the
flow nominal.
Stratofortress
Ready
to
for
carry
systems
long-range crews. Missiles with pinpoint precision, thermal tests, ammo shielding, and digital diagnostics ensure that every electronic system can survive extreme temperatures. Radiation and mission duration. For an aircraft first flown in the 1950s, the B-52 now possesses the intelligence of a modern strategic weapon platform.
Connection secure on J5.
Okay, let's review the boot sequence parameters now.
Confirming new route segment uploaded. Solid copy. Fuel calculations updated.
We're stable at 180 Celsius on node 45. Copy that.
The readings are consistent with the safety parameters.
All green on the primary bus.
Radar initialization complete. Status check passed.
Software upload complete. All systems green.
Mission parameters confirmed, ready for sync.
In final assembly, the B-52 becomes whole. Exterior panels are sealed, polished, and fitted with corrosion-resistant coatings. The aircraft receives its iconic matte gray finish, a color chosen to reduce glare and enhance camouflage at altitude. Laser scanners measure the geometry of the airframe, confirming alignment across the entire 48-meter body. National markings are applied with precision stencils. Landing gear undergoes lubrication and pressure testing. Hydraulic and electrical systems cycle through final checks. Then, an inspector signs the official completion certificate. This airframe reborn for a new era is ready for the runway.
Looks solid. What's the readout on the pressure?
Stable. We are good to go.
The Stratofortress rolls out of its hangar under early morning light. Ground crews perform extensive walk-around checks. Cockpit screens glow as power flows through the aircraft. Control surfaces move through programmed test sequences, confirming readiness. Then comes the moment of truth. Engine start. One by one, 8 engines spool up, their exhaust shimmering with heat. The entire airframe vibrates not with strain but with power. Taxi tests begin, slowly at first, then faster. Wheels grip the runway, hydraulics respond flawlessly, and sensors report stable performance. The aircraft lines up for takeoff, throttles advance, the roar is unmistakable. The Giant accelerates, the nose lifts, and the B-52 Stratofortress rises into the sky once again. A bomber born in the Cold War, rebuilt for the missions of tomorrow. The immortal aircraft that refuses to retire, a machine built to endure, and built to win, for generations to come.
The first flight is confirmed.
Yes, we finally did it.